Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add overlay to CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have created a project in CapCut and I have edited my video to this timeline. So this is the main layer of my video, and if you want to add overlay to this video, you have to select the video that you want to add. For example, I'm going to add this video, so we can drag the video to the timeline like this. And as you can see guys, that this is the first layer of the video. You can drag the layer right here. You can click on video option, then click on basic, and you can scroll down until you find layer. So this is the first layer, and for example, I'm going to remove the background of this video, so I'm going to click on auto coded right here. And if you want to add another layer, you just need to do the same step. And for example, I'm going to add video from library, then I'm going to select wait guys, select this category, then I'm just going to add this video, so just drag the video right here. Okay, and this is the second layer of my video, so I'm going to blend the video to another video. I'm going to click on basic right here, then just select the mode, and I'm going to add overlay mode. Okay. And alright guys, that's how we can add overlay to CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.